Okay, so your image is great, your targeting is right, your budget makes sense, but nobody clicks. The ad just sits there. Views go up, clicks stay at 0. It's the words. The text on your ad decides if someone scrolls past or stops to read. And most Facebook ad text is bad, boring, page. Sounds like every other ad out there. In this video, I will show you the 4-line system I use for every ad. Works for any business. So I've spent over $4 million, 4 million Polish złotych, so it is over $1 million on Meta ads. And yeah, so it takes, it works for for any business. It takes 5 minutes to write. So let me show you. So let's start with why most ad text doesn't work. So for example, yeah, so for example, I see the same mistakes everywhere. We are a professional industry company with 15 years of experience providing high quality service to our valued customers. Nobody cares. That's about you, not about them. So people don't care about your company. They care about their problem. They are scrolling, they are bored. You have 2 seconds to make them stop. And 15 years old of experience doesn't make anyone stop. So what makes them stop? A line that talks about their exact situation, their pain, what keeps them up at night, something that makes them think, for example, wait, that's me, something like that. Okay, so here is the system. 4 parts, works every time. So line number 1, the hook. Call out the person, make them feel seen, not attention homeowners. That's old school. Instead, for example, your roof is 15 years old and you are hoping it lasts one more winter. Or you just got a quote for solar and it felt way too high. Or for example, your back has been hurting for 3 months and you keep ignoring it. So specific beats vague every single time. The more specific your hook, the more someone thinks that's literally me and stops scrolling. Okay, so line number 2, push the pain. So make the problem feel bigger, not by being dramatic, but by being real. So every week you wait, that leak gets worse and the repair gets more expensive. Or for example, you've tried stretching, painkillers, YouTube exercises, nothing works long term. You are just describing what they already know but don't want to think about. So yeah, and line number 3, the solution. So you offer clear and specific. For example, we do free roof inspections, takes 30 minutes. We will tell you exactly what's wrong and what it costs to fix. Or free posture check, find out what's really causing your pain in 15 minutes. So details build trust, and free inspection is okay. Free 30-minute inspection that covers, for example, XYZ is much better. Okay, and line number 4, the CTA. So tell them exactly what to do. Click below and fill out the short form. We'll call you within 1 hour. And that's it. So don't say learn more. Don't say visit our website. This is too general. So tell them the exact action and what happens after. Okay. So let me show you this system in action. Different businesses, same structure. So yeah, let's go. So for example, for plumber, it can be That drip under your sink, it's not going away, and every day it drips. The water damage gets worse. We fix leaks the same day you call. Free estimate, click below and we'll call you within an hour. Or for dentist, when was the last time you actually enjoyed smiling in a photo? Stained or crooked teeth shouldn't stop you from feeling good. So new patient, special exam, cleaning and x-rays for $99. Click below to book. Or for example, for solar, your electricity bill hit $300 again this month, and this is not going down. Homeowners in city are switching to solar and cutting their bill by 70%. So free savings estimate takes 60 seconds. Click below, something like that. So do you see the pattern? Hook that calls them out, push the pain, solution with details, and CTA with a clear next step. So same system, different businesses, works every time. Okay. So now the headline and description. Most people overthink this. So headline, this shows below your image in bold. Keep it under 7 words. It should be your offer, not your company name. For example, free roof inspection, book today, not ABC Roofing Company. The headline is second thing people read after your hook, so make it count. Okay, and description, the smaller text below the headline. Use it for details like serving in Miami and surrounding areas, no obligation, licensed and insured, something like that. And this adds trust for people who need that last push to click. Okay, so let me show you a quick list of mistakes I see all the time. So first, writing about yourself instead of the customer. Replace we with you. Instead of we provide excellent service, say you deserve a service that actually works. Okay, second, being vague. So quality work at great prices means nothing. $149 full detail, interior and exterior, done in 2 hours means everything. Third, weak first 2 lines. So the first 2 lines of your primary text are the only thing people see before see more. If those 2 lines are boring, nobody clicks to read the rest. So your enter ad depends on those first 2 lines. Put your strongest hook there, always. This is very important. Okay, fourth, no urgency. For example, this week only, first 10 customers, offer ends Friday. Urgency doesn't have to be fake, but it needs to exist. So without it, people think I will do it later and never come back. Okay, and the last one, fifth week CTA. So learn more is weak. For example, click below, fill out the 30-second form, and we will call you within 1 hour. Is much better. It's strong. So specific, clear, and no confusion about what happens next. Okay, so let's make a quick recap. So the 4-line system: hook, call them out, push the pain, make it real, and solution, your specific offer, and last one, CTA, exact next step. And yeah, headline under 7 words. Your offer, not your company name. And yeah, 5 mistakes. Don't talk about yourself. Be specific. Nail the first lines. Add urgency and have strong CTA. Okay, so let me know what business are you writing ads for, and yeah, drop it below and I will tell you what hook to use. Subscribe for more. I'm Jacob from Lemma Agency, and yeah, see you in the next one.